If you work with PDFs, presentations, or catalogs and want to turn all of that into professional interactive flipbooks with artificial intelligence, this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you a platform that lets you create, design, and share flipbooks online, converting PDFs, PPTs, and even JPG images into digital publications. Edit ready-made templates, add AI to enhance texts, generate images, integrate smart chatbots, and even share everything on any channel with just a link. Deal? So let's get to the video. The tool we're going to use today is FlipHTML5, which combines visual editing, interactive features, and artificial intelligence to take any document to the next level. With just a few clicks, you can create digital magazines, complete catalogs, brochures, interactive booklets, educational materials, and dynamic presentations. All of this with the possibility of enhancing the content with AI and making the flipbook much more engaging. Alright guys, so after clicking the link that will be down here in the description of this video, the first step is to turn your file into a modern flipbook. So you'll access the platform and click here on Create Now. Well, here you'll have a few options. You can upload your file in PDF, Word, PPT, or image format. You can do batch uploads. So with this option here, you can upload several files and turn everything into a single flipbook. You can also start from scratch here, so you'll choose the format you want to use. A4 letter, tabloid, brochure, and so on. Lastly, we'll soon review this option to create a book with the chatbot. So let's go. I'll upload my PDF file here by clicking on Upload Files. Here you can add a file link, upload from Google Drive, Dropbox, upload PDF, PPT, JPG, PNG, Word, WebP, and so on, with a maximum of 500 megabytes. I'm going to click here to upload my file. Done. After that, it will read my PDF and turn it into a flipbook. Look, file converted. I can already view it here in flipbook format. Check that out. Everything is laid out here, just like a digital book. It's impressive. So something static, which was a PDF file, has already been turned into a flipbook here. So here I can check the flow, if everything is working perfectly, if the pages are correct, and so on. Now let's move on to the second part, which is to customize my flipbook. So I come here to customize. Here in design, I have the general settings, preloading settings. I also have display settings. So I can center my book, sharpen the book pages, create a QR code, and adjust the book margins. Anyway, there are several options here that you can use to customize your design. Here in Themes, I have some pre-programmed layouts that I can use to make my flipbook even more professional. So here I have stunning, fresh, lively, organized, simple, pure, specific, minimalist, and so on. I'm going to select floating here. Done, it's already been applied here. Default template saved successfully. In presets, I can set the skin of my book. So there are several options here that you can use to customize the design. I'm going to apply this stationary preset. See, it's already been applied to the background. Choose what fits your project and what you want to create, then pick your effects. So you have snow effect, quick bubble, heavy rain, light rain, firefly, meteor, cloud, balloon, moon. So there are several effects you can apply here. To give that extra charm to your flipbook, here in brand, you have some options. You can add your brand's logo if you have one, and you can also add information from your profile. So whenever someone accesses it, they'll have access to this information here. You also have the option here to monetize. So by clicking here, look, advertising banners, Google AdSense, and digital sales. Everything is right here so you can publish your flipbook and from there, make money with it. Now, if you want to enhance your flipbook even more, just click here on Page Editor. Here you have access to the editor where you can view it page by page and make specific edits to each one of them. So here in the Elements menu, I can add an image, creating this image right here inside FlipHTML5. Look, I have it here. I'll type my prompt, image of an electric car. Photorealism, size 1 by 1. And I'm going to ask it to generate my image. There, I already have my little car that was generated. I'm going to make it smaller, and I'm going to put it here in the corner. Remember that here on the side, I have this complete menu here, so I can edit each page of my flipbook. Going back here to the Elements tab, look, I can add a map, a table, page number. And I can also add shapes, so there are several shapes available here. In case I need to put any of them here in my flipbook, I can also add buttons. See, register, confirm, click here, buy now, share, homepage, search, and so on. Any of these buttons can be added here to my flipbook. And then I have several other options available here, so I can further customize my digital book. After I finish editing my flipbook, I can click here to preview it. Then I can get a preview of how it will look. See, everything is working perfectly here. I can see how it will look on a mobile device and also on a tablet. If everything is okay, just click Save. And now I have my Flipbook ready. If I want, I can share it now by clicking the Share button here. I can send the link to whoever I want. I can download the QR code and also send it via WhatsApp or any other way. And then the person who scans the QR code or clicks on my link will automatically have access to my digital book. And one of the strongest points of FlipHTML5 is the possibility to add an AI chatbot trained on your own document. You activate the chatbot, set the response style, configure the initial greeting, and that's it. Anyone who accesses the Flipbook can ask specific questions about the content. And this is perfect for product catalogs, support documents, educational materials, manuals, and business presentations. I'm going to click, select my Flipbook, and start training my model. So what's going to happen here? It's going to learn everything it needs to know about my Flipbook. And from there, I'll be able to interact with it using artificial intelligence. Done. It has already finished training. Now I have this first option here. Talk to the bot before applying it to make sure the bot meets your expectations. So I'm going to click here to test it. I asked here, what is the main theme of my Flipbook? And I'll send it. Look, the main theme of your Flipbook is the history and perspectives of electric and hybrid vehicles, with a focus on their development over time. And then it continues here with the answer. So everything is working properly. I'll click here to apply. I'll select my Flipbook here and I'll apply it. Done. Applied successfully. There, I've opened my Flipbook. And when someone accesses my digital book here, they already have the opportunity to chat with the chatbot. Look how interesting. So if they want to summarize, translate, whatever, they can do whatever they want using artificial intelligence. Because they'll have access here to all the content of my Flipbook. And if they want, summarize the first 5 pages, I'll send it. Look, the first 5 pages cover the evolution of electric and hybrid vehicles, highlighting the interconnection of cities in the United States and the discovery of oil in Texas. So it's amazing. Because the person will access your Flipbook, your digital book, and they'll be able to chat with the chatbot in real time. And there's one thing I forgot to mention. If you find any of these templates that are available here on the platform and you want to use them for inspiration, you can choose any of them and customize it. So let's suppose I like this template here. I'm going to click on Use Template. It will load here for me. And from this moment on, I can edit it however I want. So everything here is fully editable. And then I can adjust it according to my content. So if you're out of inspiration or if your material doesn't have many images, you can use the templates. Then you select what you want. You can add pages, delete them, either way. Everything here is perfectly editable. You can do your own editing, bring your content here, and let the artificial intelligence process all your content. And turn it into a highly professional Flipbook. Cool, right? All of this was created in just a few minutes using only the browser. So if you want to try it out and create your own projects, the link is here in the description and in the first pinned comment. Okay? I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.